Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, in the last class, we have done matching on the world of animals. So, today we will start a new topic, and the topic is beautiful birds. Today we will learn the name of birds. So, first tell me, children, can you identify this picture or which bird is this? This is an eagle. This is parrot. This is peacock. This is owl. This is duck. This is sparrow. This is crow. So we have to write their names by using vowels. By using vowels. Now what are the vowels? So first, all of you tell me how many letters are there in the English alphabet? Do you know, children? There are 26 letters. A to Z, all the letters together, if you will count, you will get 26 letters. And among these 26 letters, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. So, A, E, I, O, U. Among these 26 letters, these 5 letters are called vowels. So, you have to write these 5 vowels. You have to use these vowels to get this bird's name. So, let's start our exercise. So, take out page number 10 and take your pencil in your hand. Put classwork. Today's date here. Today's date, okay? And now, what you have to do? You have to fill this blank by using vowels. And what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. So, you have to use these 5 vowels to get this bird's name. Now, first one is eagle. And what is the spelling of eagle? First, E, A, G, L, E. Eagle. So, this E and A both are vowels. And these other letters are called consonants. So, are you writing, children? Okay, write along with me. Now, this is, which bird is this? Parrot. So, P, A, double R, O, T. Parrot. So, this A and O are vowels. Now, this picture is peacock. And what is the spelling of peacock? Right? P, already given. E, A, C is given. O, C, K. Peacock. P, E, A, P, C, O, C, K, cock. Peacock. Next, owl. So, O, W, L, owl. So, this O is a vowel and this W and L are called consonant. Now, which bird is this? This is a duck. But this bird cannot fly in the sky. This bird usually we see in the pond. This is a duck. So, D, U, C, K, duck. Here, U is a vowel. Now, next one. What picture is this or which bird is this? Sparrow. And now we will write the name of this bird using vowels. So, P, A, write A in the first blank, double R, O, W, sparrow. And the last one, crow, C, R, O, W, crow. Here, O is a vowel. So now I hope you have done. Now read along with me. Say E-A-G-L-E, eagle. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-P-C-O-C-K, cock. Peacock. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. Next one is D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Next one S-P-A, spa, double R-O-W, row, sparrow, sparrow. And the last one C-R-O-W, crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Now, which bird is this? Peacock. Which bird is this? This is an owl. Which bird is this? This is a crow. Which bird is this? This is a duck. Which bird is this? This is a parrot. Now, for your homework, you learn all the birds' name along with their spelling. So, till then, bye-bye.